Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, you will learn how to customize your project with ActivePresenter 9. Okay, so you will learn how to change your video background and how to change the size of video, how to set up your theme and fonts or stuff like that in order to create a training video with this software. And for those of you who want to try ActivePresenter, I will put the link in the description for you. And if you want to purchase the software, don't forget to use my special discount coupon code to save your money. Okay, let's go to my computer screen. Alright, so here's the start page of ActivePresenter. In order to create a new screen recording or new video, new tutorial or stuff like that, you have to create a new project first. So here you can select a project template, or you can just simply start a blank project. For example, I can just click here to start a blank project. Alright, so this is your ActivePresenter workspace. In order to customize your project, all you need to do is to go to the design tab right here. Just select the design tab, and the first option is the theme of your project or the slide design or stuff like that. You can select it right here, and you have an option to click this button to select different template for your project. And there's an option for you to browse for ActivePresenter themes on your computer, and you can also save the current themes. Okay, so this is the first option you want to take a look. And the next one is the slide design. Okay, let's close this one. And the next one is the size of your project or the size of your video. You want to go here at the slide design, just click here. And here's the change project size window. Okay, just move it to here. Now you can select a preset for your project. At this option, for example, you can click here, and now you have different preset for your project. Normally, I will select this one, 1080p for YouTube video, and you can even customize the size also. By the way, I'm going to change it to 1080p. Okay, just select here, and now you have the width, the height, and also remember to lock the aspect ratio so that your aspect ratio will not change during editing or stuff like that. Okay, and then we can click OK. So that is for the size of your project or video. And the next thing, you want to change the background style. Normally your video will have a black background. By the way, if you want to have different color, you can also select it here also. Just select this background styles, select here, and then I'm going to change it to black. Okay, and there's some more options right here, such as the color of the text, the shape, and everything inside. We have the color option. Just click here, and now you can select this one, ActivePresenter default color option, and you have different options for your project if you want. Okay, and you can even create a new theme color. For example, if I click here and then I have the theme name here, I can create a new theme, my name, and I can change the text background to red or stuff like that, and it will change right here. And this is the text background line number 1. We can change it to yellow or stuff like that, so you can customize your theme. Okay, and if you are happy with your design, you can just click OK to save your theme. So this is the color, but I think it's bad. Okay, now I will reset it to ActivePresenter style. Okay, just select this one, and the next option is your fonts. So if you want to change the fonts of the shape, the text, and stuff like that inside the project, you can customize it right here. For example, I can change this font to Tahoma or stuff like that. Okay, so if your design is okay now, you can save your current theme so that you can use for your next project also. I'm going to click here and then save current themes, and I'm going to give it a name, Jacky theme, and I'm going to put it on my desktop and then click save. Alright, so that is how to customize your project with ActivePresenter 9. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you want to learn more about this software, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.